How many times have you seen price grab your stop, reverse instantly, and leave you watching the perfect trade without you? That's not bad luck, that's liquidity hunting. And today, I'll show you a simple 5-minute chart strategy that turns those hunts into consistent 1-2 risk-reward wins. It's built in 3 steps: market structure, order flow, and 2 simple setups: the liquidity raid reversal and the breakout displacement. Step 1. The core problem. Most traders chase moves without understanding order flow. They buy late, sell late, and get trapped by liquidity raids. The market plays on emotions, not indicators. Step 2. The solution overview. 1. Go to the 5-minute chart. 2. Mark the most recent high to low order flow, or low to high order flow range. 3. Wait for either liquidity raid strong reversal candle, clean breakout with displacement. Step 3. Marking the range. Find the most recent swing high and most recent swing low in current order flow. Draw 2 horizontal lines, one on the top equals swing high, second in the bottom equals swing low. This defines the trap zone. Above the high is full of buy stops, usually retail trader set. Below the low is full of sell stops, most retailer set. Step 4. Setup 1. Liquidity raid reversal. Watch for price to take liquidity on one side of the range, e.g., spike above the high or below the low. Look for one strong reversal candle that closes back inside the range. Entry: if raid is above high, you enter short. If raid is below low, you enter long. Stop loss: just beyond the raid point. Target: 1-2 risk-reward ratio, often the opposite side of the range. Step 5. Setup 2. Breakout with displacement. Displacement equals strong, impulsive candle breaking out of the range. Candle closes outside the range with minimal wick. Entry: wait for a small pullback to the breakout level. Enter in breakout direction. Stop loss: previous candle's low if long entry, or previous candle high if short entry. Target: 1-2 risk-reward ratio. Step 6. When not to trade. No clear liquidity raid or displacement. Breakout candles with long wicks, low conviction, just before major news events. Step 7. Why this works. Raids trap breakout traders and fuel reversals. Displacements trap range traders and fuel trends. Both setups align with order flow. You trade with the market's intention, not against it. Step 8. Live example walkthrough. Show 1 raid reversal hitting 1-2 TP. Show 1 breakout displacement hitting 1-2 TP. Highlight: range marking, liquidity grab or displacement, entry, stop, and target. Step 9. Recap and call to action. Go to the 5-minute chart. Mark high to low or low to high order flow range. Trade only liquidity raid reversal candle. Breakout with displacement. Stick to 1-2 risk reward. If this changed how you see the market, drop a comment: raid or breakout, which will you try first? Let's go to some examples. First, you can see on the gold chart, we mark recent order flow range, swing high and swing low. Wait for price sweep liquidity on one side, and then see price sweep liquidity on one side. Watching price movement, see price sweep liquidity on one side, and form strong candle on opposite direction. We enter long. Stop loss below this candle. Target 1-2 risk-reward ratio. Let's see what happened in this trade. See price take a target. Let's go to another example on gold chart. We mark recent order flow range, swing high and swing low. Wait for price sweep liquidity on one side, and then see price sweep liquidity on one side. Watching price movement, see price sweep liquidity on one side, and form strong candle on opposite direction. We enter long. Stop loss below this candle. Target 1-3 risk-reward ratio. Let's see what happened in this trade. See price take a target. Let's see on Bitcoin chart. See on the chart, marking recent order flow, swing high and swing low. Waiting for price sweep liquidity on one side, then see price take liquidity on one side, and make strong candle on opposite direction. We enter short. Stop loss above this candle. Target 1-3 risk-reward ratio. Let's see what happened in this trade. See price take a target. Let's go another example on Bitcoin chart. We mark recent order flow range, swing high and swing low. Wait for price sweep liquidity on one side, and then see price sweep liquidity on one side. Watching price movement, see price sweep liquidity on one side, and form strong candle on opposite direction. We enter long. Stop loss below this candle. Target 1-3 risk-reward ratio. Let's see what happened in this trade. See price take a target. If you want to know about most powerful candlesticks, see this video. In this video you learn which candles are actually working in trading.